Hi everybody. In previous videos we solved up to fourth problem in exercise 2.4. Now in this video we are going to solve from fifth problem. Let us see the fifth problem. The fifth problem is factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xyz. By observing this, it is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx or xz, that equals x plus y plus z whole square. So first of all, you have to change this problem into this form. So let us see. So the first one is 25x square, that you can write as 5x whole square. This is 4y whole square and it is 2z whole square. So 5 square is 25 x square, 4 square is 16 y square, 2z whole square, that is 2 square is 4 and z square. Now here we should have plus 2xy. So just write 2 into, first one is x, y, z, 2 into x, so I am writing, so that is 5x into y, 4y. Next one is, I am writing 2yz, 2 into, what is the y, 4y, into, what is the z, 2z. Next, here also I am not writing sign, that is 2 into x, that is first term 5x, into z, that is last term, that is 2z. Let us see. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40 xy, 40 xy, okay. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 yz, it's okay. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 xz, this is also okay. But we have here minus, here we have minus, here also we have minus. Where we are getting minus? In the both terms we have x. So that means the minus is occurring at where the x is there. ఎక్కడైతే x ఉంటుందో అక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది. So that's why we should write minus at x. So should be here minus. So it is also minus. So we can write simply here plus. Okay, here plus into minus, minus. So plus into minus, minus. So the x term should contain minus. So it is minus. So by comparing these two, we have x equal to minus 5x and y equal to 4y and z equal to 2z. Therefore, this equal to x plus y plus z whole square. What is the x? Minus 5x plus y. Y is 4y plus z 2z whole square. Okay, that is minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. These are the factors of this polynomial, that is 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z minus 40xy minus 16yz plus minus 20xz equal to minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. Okay, next second one. Second one is, okay, what is the second one? 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. This is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca that equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So first of all you have to change this problem into formula form, that is identity form, that is 9a square can write as 3a whole square plus 2b whole square plus 4c whole square, and this is 2 into ab, a is first term into b is second one, that is 2b. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12ab. So this is 12ab, and second one is 2bc plus 2 into b is 2b into c is 4c plus 2ca, 2 into c 4c into a is 3a. So here by observing these two, here we will get 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12ab, 12ab plus 12ab, it's okay. But second one is 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16bc plus 16bc, but here we have minus, here we have minus, and here also 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24ca, that is plus 24ca, but we have minus 24ca. Here also you should get minus. In both cases we need minus. So where we are getting minus, where the c's lies, there we are getting minus. Where the c is lying, there we are getting minus. అంటే c ఉన్న దగ్గర మాత్రమే మైనస్ వస్తుంది. సో we should keep minus to c. So I am writing minus to c. So here we will get minus 4c. Here also we will get minus 4c, like that. ఈ విధంగా మనం మైనస్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి దాని దగ్గర మైనస్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, సో హియర్ by comparing these two, we have in place of a 3a, in place of b we have 2b, in place of c we have minus 4c. Therefore this equals a plus b plus c whole square, 3a plus 2b plus, so that is plus of minus 4c, that is minus 4c whole square. So that equals 3a plus 2b minus 4c into 3a plus 2b minus 4c. So this is 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab plus minus 16bc minus 24ca equal to 3a plus 2b minus 4c into 3a plus 2b minus 4c. So this is the factorization. What identity we used? A plus b plus c whole square is identical to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so next. So sixth problem is, if a plus b plus c equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 26, find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, first of all you have to observe the problem. So these all the terms we can see in one identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here see, a plus b plus c is there, ab plus bc plus ca. By taking 2 common, we can see ab plus bc plus ca, and a square plus b square c square, a square plus b square plus c square. That's why we are using this identity. ఇక్కడున్న ఈ టర్మ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న అన్నీ కూడా మనం ఈ ఐడెంటిటీలోనే చూస్తాం కాబట్టి ఈ ఐడెంటిటీని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఐడెంటిటీ? a ప్లస్ b ప్లస్ c హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ c స్క్వేర్. ఇన్ దిస్ we have ab plus bc plus ca. So by taking 2 as common, we will get ab plus bc plus ca. Now by substituting a plus b plus c equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 26. So that is a plus b plus c equal to 9 square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca equal to 26. So that is 9 square is 81 equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 26 into 2, 52. So here a square plus b square plus c square plus 52 equal to 81. Mutually interchanged. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 81 minus 52. Transpose to right side. 81 minus 52, 29. That is a square plus b square plus c square equal to 29. That is given. Okay. So next question is, seventh question is, evaluate the following by using suitable identity. To calculate this, we should use suitable identity. Okay. So the first one is 99 whole cube. So you have to calculate 99 whole cube without actual multiplication. You have to find the value of 99 whole cube by using identity. So first of all, you have to write in identity form. So this you can write as 100 minus 1 whole cube. You have to, whatever the number, you should write rounding number plus something or rounding number minus something. Then only we can calculate easily. అంటే ఏదన్నా ఒక రౌండింగ్ నెంబర్కి దగ్గరగానే ఇస్తాడు దాదాపుగా. సో అలాంటి వాటికి ఏం చేయాలి? రౌండింగ్ నెంబర్కి ఎక్కువ ఉంటేనేమో ప్లస్తో రాస్తాము, రౌండింగ్ నెంబర్ తక్కువ ఉంటే ఎంత తక్కువ ఉందో మైనస్ అది రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. సో నౌ, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 100 minus 1 whole cube. Okay, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube, that equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. By comparing these two, we have a equal to 100 and b equal to 1. So substituting a equal to 100 and b equal to 1 at right side, that is a cube 100 cube minus 3 into a square, that is 100 square, into b is 1 plus 3 into a 100 into b square, that is 1 square, minus b cube 1 cube. 100 cube, so 1 cube is 1, so triple the number of zeros. So we have 2 zeros, it will become 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 3 into 100 square. 1 square is 1, double the zeros, it will become 4 zeros, into 1 plus 3 into 100 300 into 1 square is 1 minus 1 cube is 1. So that is 10 lakhs. Okay, we have only 6 zeros. Now 10 lakhs minus 3 into 10,000, that is 30,000, into 1 30,000 plus 300 into 1 300 minus 1. We have plus sign to these two, so 10 lakhs plus 300, 10 lakhs and 300 minus have minus 2, these two, that is 30,001. By subtracting this from this, so this is, it will become 2, 9 and 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, so 2, 0, so it will become 9, 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 9. So that equal 9,70,299. So next, what is this? 99 whole cube equal to. Okay. Second one is 102 whole cube. That is 102 whole cube. This you can write as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So that equals, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. That equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square, b cube. By comparing these two, we have a equal to 100 and b equal to 2. So by substituting these values at right side, a cube 100 cube plus 3 into a square 100 square into b is 2 plus 3 into a 100 into b square 2 square plus b cube 2 cube. 100 cube, triple the number of zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 into double the number of zeros, 4 into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. 10 lakhs plus here 3 2s are 6, 60,000. Okay, next, so 3 2s are 6, 6 into 10,000, 60,000. Next, 3 4s are 12, 12 into 100, 1200 plus 8. By adding these all, ones place 8 plus 0, 0, 0, so that is 8. Tens place 0, 0, 0. Okay. Tens place completed 0. Hundreds place 2, 0, 0. So 2 itself. Thousands place 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Next, 10,000. 6 plus 0, 6. Next, lakhs 0, 10 lakhs 1. So that equals 10 lakhs 61,208. So it is 102 whole cube equal to. Okay, next 8th question is factorize each of the following. So in that first question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So what is given? 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. By observing this, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square form. That equals a plus b whole cube. First of all, you have to change into formula form. So this is, you can write as 2a whole cube. 2 cube is 8 and a cube. So b cube itself. This you can write as 3 into first one, 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, a square b, and 3 2s are 6, ab square. So by comparing these two, we have a equal to 2a and b equal to, in place of b we have only b, but in place of a we have 2a. Okay, by substituting this value at right side, we will get 2a plus b. So b is b itself whole cube, or you can write 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b, or we can write like this also. So this is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square equal to. Next, second one, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. What is given? 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So by observing this, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I am changing this into formula form, that is 2a whole cube. 2 cube is 8a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square. 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 ab and 3 2s are 6 ab square. So by comparing these two, a equal to 2a and b equal to b. By substituting these values, the formula equal to, so this is a minus b whole cube. So by substituting these values at right side, you will get 2a minus b whole cube, that equal to 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b, that is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square equal to. Okay, third one is, what is given? 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square. So now, by observing this, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that equals a minus b whole cube. First of all, you have to change this into formula form. So 1 you can write as 1 cube minus 64 you can write 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So you can write as 4a whole cube minus 3 into a square, that is 1 square into b, 4a, plus 3 into 1 into 4a whole square. 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 4 cube is 64a cube minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 3, 3, 3 4s are 12a, 3 1s are 3 and 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48a square. Okay. Now, by comparing these two, a equal to 1 and b equal to 4a. By substituting these values at right side, we will get 1 minus 4a whole cube. So that is 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square equal to 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a. Next, 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 125. So what is given? 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. By observing this, it is also in the form of same a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, that equals a minus b whole cube. In the before problems, we written minus b cube in the second place, but here he given at last. That's why we written here last. We can write anywhere, so there is no change in values. So according to problem, you have to write at second place or at last place or wherever. Now First of all, I am changing this into formula form. That is 8. 8 you can write as 2 cube. So that is 2p whole cube. 2 cube is 8p cube minus. So first of all, I am writing last one. 125. 5 cube is 125. That is 1 by 5 whole cube. So and middle one is 3. The first one is a and last one is b. So that is b cube. That's why this is the 1 by 5 is the b and a. So 3 into 2p whole square into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 2p into 1 by 5 whole square. 2 cube is 8p cube minus 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12p square by 5. 12p square by 5 and 3 2s are 6p. 6p by 5 square is 25 minus 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125. Now by comparing with identity at left side, we have a equal to 2p and b equal to 1 by 5. By substituting these values at right side of identity, we have 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube. So that equals 8p cube minus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p minus 125 equal to 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay. Next one is, ninth one is verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube, and also this using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication. Can you call these as identities? What is given? The first one is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube. So you have to verify. So what you have to do? You have to verify this by some non-zero positive integers. అంటే సమ్ నాన్ జీరో పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ తీసుకొని దీనిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి వెరిఫై చేయమన్నాడు. అంటే ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్ వస్తుందా అని మనం వెరిఫై చేయాలి. సో లెట్ us take some x equal to, I'm taking very simple numbers 2 and y equal to 3. So by substituting this LHS, or we can do it at a time. So that is 2 cube plus y cube 3 cube equal to x plus y 2 plus 3 into x square 2 square minus x into y 2 into 3 plus y cube 3 cube. So 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 equal to 2 plus 3 5 into 2 square is 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are okay, sorry, this is y square. Okay, y square. So 3 square is 9. So 27 plus 8 35 equal to 5 into, so these two have plus sign, so 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 6, so 13 minus 6, so 35 equal to 5 minus 5 into 13 minus 6 is 7, so 35 equal to 5 7s are 35. So we got LHS equal to RHS. So by taking any values of non-zero positive integers in place of x and y, you will get the LHS equal to RHS. మనకి ఏది అప్లై చేసినా ఎక్స్ వై ప్లేస్లో ఏదైనా నాన్ జీరో పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ప్రతిసారి ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్ వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ యూ క్యాన్ try with another numbers. Okay, and is asking verify this by actual multiplication. You also verify this by actual multiplication. So already we have the LHS already in product form, that is x cube plus y cube, and RHS is, what is the RHS? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube. So that is x into x square minus xy plus y cube plus y into x square minus xy plus y cube. X into total polynomial plus y into this total polynomial, that is x into x square minus x into xy plus x into y cube. So this is y square, okay, x into y square plus, now opening the brackets, y into x square minus y into xy plus y into y cube. So this is plus into minus minus. So now x into x square is x to the power of 3. So bases are equal, power should be added, 1 plus 2, 3, minus x into x square y plus x into y square xy square plus y into x square or x into y square, both are same, x square y minus x y into y square. Okay, next plus y into, this is y square. So y into y square, y cube. This is x square y, this is also x square y. It is minus x square y plus x square y get cancelled, plus xy square minus xy square get cancelled. That equals x cube plus y cube we got. So what is this? RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we conclude that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here second one is x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So what is given? X cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. That I am taking x equal to some 4 and y equal to 3. Here by substituting these two values in both LHS and RHS, we will get 4 cube minus 3 cube equal to x minus y, 4 minus 3, into x square, 4 square, plus x into y, 4 into 3, plus y square, 3 square. 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus 27, equal to 4 minus 3, 1, into 4 square is 16, 4 3s are 12, 3 square is 9, 64 minus 27, 37. That equals 1 into something is something, that is 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 9, 37. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Not only these values, by substituting any non-zero positive integers we can get LHS equal to RHS. We can try with another numbers. Okay. So by multiplication, what is the LHS? LHS is x cube minus y cube. RHS. What is the RHS? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. We are going to multiplying the RHS. That is x into x square plus xy plus y square minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So that equals x into x square plus x into xy plus x into y square. Multiplying this x to all the three, minus into plus minus y into x square, minus into plus minus x y into xy, minus into plus minus y into y square. That equals x into x square, x cube, 1 plus 2 3, plus x into x, x square, y, plus x into y, xy square, minus y into x square or x square into y, both are same, x square y, minus, so this is y into xy, this is not only x, this is xy, so y into y, y square, that is xy square, minus y into y square, 1 plus 2 3, y cube. So here plus x square y minus x square y and plus xy square minus xy square get cancelled. Finally we will get x cube minus y cube. This is RHS. So finally we will get LHS equal to RHS. Therefore x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So in both cases, by substituting non-zero positive integers, we got LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS by substituting non-zero positive integers. By multiplication also, we got LHS equal to RHS. Here also, by substituting non-zero positive integers, we got LHS equal to RHS. Not only these values, by substituting any numbers, we can get LHS equal to RHS. ఓకే, సో ఇంకా కావాలి అంటే ఇంకొన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి చూడండి, మీరు వస్తుంది. ఓన్లీ నాన్ జీరో పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్, జీరో కానటువంటి పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బై మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆల్సో వి గాట్ హియర్ LHS equal to RHS. Therefore these two we can call these as identities. Therefore right here again these two are identities. So up to now we completed 9th problem. If you have any doubt, you have to write in the comment box and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.